Welcome to today's painting lesson from Acrylic Arts Academy. In this tutorial, we're creating a peaceful ice skating winter scene, a frozen lake landscape featuring soft mountains, icy textures, and joyful silhouette skaters. Before we begin, please pause the video and gather your supplies. Everything you'll need is listed in the description below. Once you're ready, let's get started. Begin by squeezing out small amounts of gray, titanium white, sky blue, and cobalt blue directly onto your canvas in the pattern shown. Using a slightly damp flat brush, blend the colors from top to bottom using horizontal strokes only. Take your time to create a smooth transition from the cool sky tones into the frozen lake area below. Allow the colors to melt gently into one another, keeping your pressure light and even. Next, mix black and gray on your palette. With a small flat brush, paint a soft, distant mountain shape where the blue meets the gray. Keep the mountain lighter and less detailed so it feels far away. Remember, distant objects should remain subtle and understated. On the opposite side, paint a few dense tree-like shapes. Keep these simple and slightly blurred to maintain depth and avoid pulling too much attention forward. Add a few near the mountain as well to create balance across the composition. Use a horizontal line to clearly separate the sky from the frozen lake surface. This line anchors the composition and helps establish space. Now clean your brush and load it with titanium white. Using just the tip, begin creating irregular crack lines across the frozen lake. Let the lines move naturally in different directions. Some should be short, others longer. Allow them to intersect occasionally, just like real ice. Vary your pressure. Make some cracks bold and others faint and broken. Avoid straight or perfectly shaped patterns. Leave small gaps between clusters of lines so the underlying blue tones show through. This creates depth and realism in the ice and prevents the surface from feeling flat. Using the same flat brush, add soft, blended clouds in the sky. Use gentle horizontal and circular strokes to keep them subtle and diffused. The sky should feel calm and quiet, supporting the winter atmosphere. Now switch to a detailing brush loaded with black paint. Begin painting a small silhouette of an ice skater near the horizon. Start with the central body shape, then add the head, arms, and legs. Keep the figure simple and clean, focusing on the overall gesture rather than tiny details. Add small white highlights to the shoes and parts of the clothing once the black settles slightly. Place a tiny red dot on the cap for a soft pop of color that brings life to the figure. Next, paint a second ice skater in the middle ground. Make this figure slightly larger to show that it's closer to the viewer. Start with the body, then add the head, arms, and legs in a different pose to suggest movement and joy. Allow the pose to feel relaxed and natural. Dilute your black paint slightly and paint soft reflections beneath both skaters using horizontal strokes to create shadows on the ice. Keep these reflections subtle and slightly blurred so they blend naturally into the frozen surface. As a final step, refine the larger skater by adding white highlights to the shoes and clothing. Add a touch of yellow ochre to the gloves and paint a small belt at the waist for added detail and warmth. Step back, review your contrasts, and allow your painting to dry completely. Take a moment to appreciate the peaceful winter scene you've created, full of cool tones, gentle movement, and quiet seasonal charm. Great work today, and thank you for painting with Acrylic Arts Academy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more easy, relaxing painting lessons every week. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to our Acrylic Arts Academy supporter members. Your support helps us keep these tutorials free and accessible for everyone. And if you're ready to continue learning with us beyond today's tutorial, you're always welcome to explore our free challenges and our full Paint Your Own Happiness program at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you so much for painting with us. We can't wait to see what you create next.